Hi everyone, hope you are doing good. Today I am going to teach you guys a strategy using Alligator Indicator. I hope you guys have heard about Alligator Indicator. Alligator Indicator was developed by legendary trader Bill Williams. It uses 3 moving averages such as 5, 8 and 13 periods. The 3 moving averages comprise of jaw, teeth and lips of the alligator. The jaw line is the slowest and the lip line is the fastest. Okay, I will show it to you through the chart. This is trading view chart and this is Nifty 15 minutes. Let's move on to the indicator section and type alligator. Here you get the William Alligator indicator. Just apply the default settings. The blue line is known as the jaw line, the red line is known as the teeth and the green line is known as the lips. As you can see, the 13 period is the blue line, the jaw, and the 5 period is the lip. The middle line teeth is the 8 period moving average. Okay, let's apply it. Let me show you how to trade using alligator indicator. Okay, this is a chart of SPI 50 minutes time frame. As you can see, I have applied a alligator indicator whenever the green candle closes above the 3 lines of the alligator. That means the blue line, the red line and the green line, the jaw, teeth and the lips. Especially the lip line should be above the jaw line. This indicates a buy signal. Let me show you. As you can see, the lip line should be above the jaw line and the candle should close in green above the 3 lines. This candle has closed above the 3 lines of alligator indicator. Whenever the next candle crosses above the high of this candle, our buy gets initiated. This is the setup for buying. For sell setup, same the vice versa. Let's look at that in the chart. As you can see in this chart, whenever the candle closes in red and also it is below the lip line and the jaw line, that means the green line should cross below the blue line and the lip line is also below the jaw line. It indicates a clear sell. Okay, see here, as I mentioned earlier, the lip line is crossing the jaw line. That means the green line is crossing the blue line right at this point, but the candle is in green. There our sell is not initiated. Until unless the candle closes in red, we cannot initiate the sell signal. But then after 3 candles, a candle closes in red and still the lip line is below the jaw line, which indicates our sell signal. So the sell signal can be taken below the low of this candle, which is the red candle. Okay, below this candle we initiate our sell, moving to the target and SL. For the buy trade, the stop loss should be the jaw line, that is the blue line, with 2 points extra buffer below. Okay, same as for the sell setup. Here for the sell setup, the stop loss should be same, the jaw line with 2 points extra upper buffer, and the target is 1:1.5 or 1:2, whichever is comfortable you can choose. Okay, let's dive into some live examples. Okay, this is the chart of Nifty 15 minutes. As you can see, on the 18th June, the candle closes above the 3 lines with a green at the time of 11:45. This indicates the buy. So the SL for that is the blue line, that is the jaw line, and our target is 1:2. 1:2 means the range between the entry and the SL, means the entry price is somewhere around 9,942 and our SL is 9,907, which is around somewhere 35 points. Okay, with 2 points buffer, let's take 37 points, and our target should be around 70 points or 50 points. Okay, let me show you how we can calculate that exactly. So we take our entries at this high, so, and the stop loss is the blue range with 2 points buffer and 1:1.5. So this is the target for 1.5 and this is the target for 1:2. Okay, hope you got, I think. Let's move on to another trade. Here we get a sell trade. As you can see, the lip line is crossing below the jaw line. Okay, so this becomes our sell signal. The low of this candle will be our entry point and the target is 1:1.5 or 1:2. Okay, and SL will be the jaw line, which is the blue line. Beautiful setup. Here is a sell signal, but it has not completed our rules, which is the lip line must be below the jaw line. As it was not happening here, this is not a validated sell entry. Okay, here is our buy entry. Okay, this candle is a green candle and it is closing above the jaw line and the lip line. As you can see, the close of this candle is above the lip line, so this becomes our entry. We will be entering at the high of this candle and the target is, as you know, 1:1.5 or 1:2. See, this is another beautiful setup. And here is another entry. High of this candle is our entry and the stop loss is the blue line, which is the jaw line. Target is 1:1.5, 1:2, whichever. Okay, I think we have got at least 1:1.5. Here is also another beautiful setup. This one, this candle has closed above the high of the lip line and the lip line is also above the jaw line, which is a clear entry. High of this candle gets executed and the target is 1:1.5, and the target, I think it achieved on the next day. But if you want, you can close it here on the day ending itself, or you can keep it, but I would suggest you to close it on intraday itself. Better to be in safe. Let me show you in some stocks also, so you can get idea about it. Okay, yeah, let's look at from here. As you can see, the lip line is closing above the jaw line and our buy gets initiated above this candle, which is the green candle, not this one, because here the lip line has not closed above the jaw line. Okay, so this line exactly at 10:45 we get our buy entry above this candle high. Okay, stop loss is a little bit far. You have to manage your risk management and trade whenever the stop loss is very far. Okay, better to try in small quantities so you can avoid the excess losses, or if you want, you can keep the stop loss at the lip line itself, so you can avoid unnecessary huge losses. Okay, it can be considered whenever the candles are very far from the lines. Okay, here you can easily get 1:1.5 or 1:2 target achieved. Okay, and here is our sell signal. This candle, below this candle is a sell. Target maybe 1:1, but unfortunately keep trailing your stop losses to avoid unnecessary losses. Okay, and here we have got a sell signal below this candle, but unfortunately that day the stock didn't move very much down, but next day it gave a brilliant returns. So anyway, this was not a profitable trade. See, not every strategy is a 100% successful strategy. Okay, every strategy has its own loopholes. So sometimes it gives profit, sometimes losses, but majority of the times profit should be more and the losses should be small. By that way we can manage our risk. Okay, let's move on to another trade. Yeah, this trade here, as you can see, the lip line is crossing below the jaw line. This candle becomes a sell signal. Low of this is the sell initiated in this candle, and you got a beautiful returns. See, that's the beauty of it. Whenever we get the loss, it's a small. Whenever we get the profits, it's in huge. That's the advantage of this strategy. Yeah, here is also one small setup. As you can see, high of this candle would get our buy entries triggered, and the stop loss would be jawline. After some time of consolidation, it gave a beautiful breakout. Maybe not the biggest profit, but something is better than losses. Okay, here is another setup. This candle high is a buy and the target is achieved beautifully. And here is another beautiful setup. The high of this candle gets initiated in the next candle. Stop loss is the jawline and target is beautifully achieved. Okay, so here is the sell setup, and this candle low will be initiated sell and the high will be stop loss, but the high is too far, so let's take the stop loss of lip line, which is nearer compared to the jaw line. Okay, and as you can see, it has given a beautiful returns. Okay guys, I think you got the idea of this indicator. Coming to the accuracy, it's around 60-65%, which is a good risk to reward ratio. But your risk management and mindset is the main that gives you the profits. Okay, always try to manage your risk. Whatever I have shown you, please don't try to implement directly from tomorrow itself. Before trying this strategy directly, please do a back testing and paper trade it for some time to get the confidence. Okay guys, hope you guys enjoyed our new strategy. See you soon. Please subscribe our channel, like, share, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for further notifications. Okay, thank you. Bye, see you soon.